Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the fence paint-ready. Clear debris, tighten loose areas, and protect nearby plants. Once done, remove rust with a wire brush or grinder and wipe surfaces with solvent so primer adheres. You should apply a thin, even metal primer spray from 6 to 8 inches away, moving steadily across 12 to 18-inch sections. Make sure to keep strokes overlapping and avoid heavy buildup. This prevents drips and creates a uniform base for top coat adhesion. You now apply the top coat with controlled, overlapping sweeps. This gives full coverage without runs. Choose a metal spray paint such as an oil-based or acrylic enamel and test on scrap to verify color. Once chosen, hold the can 6 to 12 inches away and vary angle, about 45 degrees, to reach front and back of each link. Make multiple thin passes rather than one heavy one. This builds an even film. Also, make sure to follow the paint's recommended dry time before recoating. You finish by inspecting the fence closely and addressing imperfections immediately. Sand any small drips smooth and touch up with a brush or another light spray. Once satisfied, let the fence cure fully, typically 24 to 72 hours depending on product and weather, before removing protective coverings or handling. If you encounter later flaking or adhesion failure, the key troubleshooting step is to strip back to bare metal, remove all rust, reapply a proper metal primer, and repaint.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.